Welcome to another speaker highlight for the Attorneys Resource Conference. My name is Jamie Gary. I am the principal of UpVision Consulting, LLC, which is a legal nurse business in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. I am here to welcome Kevin Golden as one of our presenters at the Attorneys Resource Conference, which is taking place on July 31st through August 2nd, 2024 at Treetops Resort in Gaylord, Michigan. This conference is designed to provide a dynamic and relaxing platform for attorneys, legal professionals, and healthcare professionals to learn and network in a relaxed setting together. To learn more about this conference and our wonderful speakers, please visit our conference website at attorneysconference.com. For those that are interested in vending or sponsoring, you may find opportunities there as well. Today, we are highlighting attorney Kevin Golden. He is an attorney who practices both in Michigan and in Illinois. And among several things that you will learn through attendance with his bio, I would like to highlight some of his accomplishments before I turn things over to him. He is a treasurer and active member of the Illinois chapter of the American Board of Trial Lawyers. He's a member of the Illinois Trial Lawyers Association, a member of the International Society of Barristers, an Illinois super lawyer, and an Illinois leading lawyer. So welcome, Kevin. We're excited to have you presenting at our conference on the topic of the treater deposition. And I'd love to turn it over to you to give our audience a little bit of a brief insight about what your presentation will entail and what they will gain from it by attending.
Thank you, Jamie. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the opportunity to speak at this conference. We were talking a little briefly before we started the interview. I think it's a great opportunity for attorneys and medical professionals to get in one room, in one place together to talk about the aspects of treater depositions. And throughout my career, I've done medical malpractice cases. I've done automobile cases. I've done trip and falls, civil rights cases. One thing that they all have in common is you need a treater deposition. And what I mean by a treater deposition is a doctor, nurse, any medical professional that was involved with your client. They're very important witnesses for the case, and there's ways, proper ways to take the depositions and have it done. One thing I've seen is a lot of young attorneys going into treater depositions and not getting to the point. And medical professionals are very busy. Last thing they want to hear is, I have to give a deposition. So to get to the point, my presentation is going to be, half of it is going to be presented as the attorney, what to expect, what you should ask, and what you shouldn't ask during the deposition. And as the other half will be for the medical professional. When you are told or you receive a subpoena, I want them to learn and be comfortable with, how do I prepare? What questions are going to be coming to me? How do I answer those questions? And do I have to answer those questions? And there's side issues such as compensation, time, having attorneys present, contacting attorneys. So there's a lot of dynamics to treater physicians on both sides, as for the attorney and for the medical professional. And I think this was a perfect opportunity with the people you're going to have come to your conference to be able to speak to them about those issues.
Thank you. We're very excited to have you. You have a lot of information that I wish I would have had as even a nurse starting out. So I'm excited to hear your presentation and to see you in person. And I hope that our audience will have that same opportunity. Just log right into the attorneysconference.com and book your seat. Come meet Kevin and learn about the importance of depositions and how to handle those and what you need to do to prepare. And we're looking forward to seeing everyone in Northern Michigan, July 31st through August 2nd, 2024. Thank you.